Okay, this central. Gyrus means elevation. So this is precentral gyrus. This elevation is precentral gyrus.
Where to start?
Yes, this small. This precentral gyrus. Okay, this whole thing will be precentral gyrus. Okay, what is it in front of central sulcus? There is precentral gyrus. In front of precentral gyrus, there is precentral sulcus. Precentral sulcus. So central sulcus, precentral gyrus, precentral sulcus.
Again.
Central sulcus, okay, precentral gyrus, precentral sulcus. Because down, depression. Sulcus is down, okay. So precentral gyrus, precentral sulcus is the part of frontal lobe. Okay. Now behind the central sulcus there is post central gyrus. Because it is pre, now the behind will be post, isn't it? Post central gyrus, and behind there will be the depression will be called as, the sulcus will be called as post central sulcus. Isn't it easy? Okay, you identify so many structures from 4 minutes. Okay. Now there are two sulci, major sulci in the frontal lobe. Okay, frontal lobe. Superior frontal sulcus, inferior frontal sulcus. Okay, superior frontal sulcus and inferior frontal sulcus. Two, superior and inferior, which divides the frontal lobe into 1, 2, 3 part. Okay, what is this first part? First part will be superior frontal gyrus, middle frontal gyrus, and inferior frontal
Yes.
superior, middle. If there is superior, there has to be inferior, not lateral. If there was medial, then it would be lateral, right? Superior, middle, and inferior frontal
Yes.
gyrus. Okay, sulcus is depression. There are 2 sulci and 3 gyri in the anterior aspect of the frontal lobe. Okay, I will talk about only frontal lobe. Parietal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobe we will discuss in the next class. But only thing is you remember this much. Okay. Frontal lobe. How many sulcus are there in total? 1, 2, 3. 3 sulcus. How many gyrus? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 sulcus and 4 gyrus. What are these gyruses in the frontal lobe? Precentral gyrus, superior frontal gyrus, middle frontal gyrus, and inferior frontal gyrus. Okay. Now, what is the function of frontal lobe? Social behavior, thinking, decision making, calculation, logical reasoning.
Planning.
Okay. Planning. Okay. All social behavior, all social inhibition comes from this. All motor activities are the fibers come from precentral gyrus. Okay, corticospinal tract, where you do all your movements, the voluntary movements are activated from here. Precentral gyrus. Okay, there is one important center for Broca's area number 44. Okay, which is over here between the temporal lobe, near to the pole of the temporal lobe. Okay, which is called motor speech area. Motor speech area means an area which controls your speech. Okay, it is like you use muscle when you speak, right? So it controls the muscles, musculature. Okay, the throw of your ear into the vocal cords, and vocal cords will vibrate and create a sound. That vibration of vocal cords vibration of the movement of your tongue, the movement of your buccal face is being articulated by this area. Okay, that is speech area. If there is a problem here, it causes aphasia. Aphasia means difficulty in speaking. Okay, so what you do is each one of you identify this area. Once you remember it, then tell me. We'll go on to parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and temporal lobe. Understood? Catch this. Now there are many models. Okay, each one of you catch one of them. SULCUS, sulcus.
It's okay, yeah. Action. This central sulcus
Okay, I'll come. I'll see if this one.
and this pre-central sulcus. واضحة؟ هذا الخط بري سنترال سالكس وهذا بري فرونتال جايرس بري فرونتال جايرس and this superior frontal gyrus medial frontal gyrus هذا inferior frontal gyrus وهذا اللي ورا الخط اللي هو central sulcus بوست فرونتال هي بوست فرونتال جايرس
لا بوست سنترال جايرس.
جايرس بدون فرونتال
بدون شيل فرونتال حط
اوكي
سنترال.
بوست فرونتال جايرس
لا بوست سنترال جايرس.
بوست سنترال جايرس وفي هذا الخط الصغير اللي هو بوست سنترال سالكس خط هذا الصغير مرة
خطوط سالكس واللي
اللي قدام هنا وش اسمه؟
هذا بري سنترال سالكس وهذا بوست سنترال سالكس
وقاريا بري سنترال قاريس ذا.
هذا بري سنترال جايرس بعد الخط على طول هذا
اوكي.
وهذا اللي هي بوست سنترال جايرس
خلاص
بس